So here's the stock lights. You can kind of see the differences I was talking about. These are not so vibrant. There's lines in the lens, unlike the ones I purchased. And they're just faded and old. I mean, look at them. You got the lines right here, the lines right here. The new headlights get rid of that. They're going to be fresh and chrome all the way here and all the way down to here, because the new ones get rid of this amber right here and just have a reflector in here. I think it'll look good because, well, it'll look like the chrome grille just kind of makes all that disappear. I think it'll be pretty good. I think it'll be a much cleaner light. So once I get the necessary bulbs I need, which are 2 daytime running lights, 2 orange turn signals, and 2 orange side markers, I will update you all on the final product. What's up, everyone? The second video I'm going to show you, I'm going to say I get lights, but this is before. Here's the new lights. I got some amber side markers, new turn signals, new daytime runners. You'll see why I got replacements for all of these. I thought bulbs were cheaper, but I don't know, dude. It was like 22 bucks for all of those. And the lights I got, well, I'll just show you after I install them. But first, let me show you the stock. So let me turn on the stock headlights so you can get an idea. It's not very light outside, but those are the brights. Sorry about that. As you can see, standard bulb. My orange turn signals aren't very orange. Heck, you can even see some of it flaking off. And then there's the side marker. I'll get a new pick of the new bulbs down here. And I also have red LEDs in here. Sorry, all of this is not in order. I'm doing this at different times of the day. So let's pop the hood and get these lights installed. So I'm not going to show you installing them since I want to do it with 2 hands, because one hand is hard. So basically all you got to do is undo these 2 pins, set them on your electrical box, and boom, your light's free. Alright, let me get these lights installed. Here they are. They really wake up the truck to make it look way newer. They look good. Let's turn on the lights. There they are. Yeah, that looks good. Looks great. I didn't want to cheap out on these. Well, I cheaped out on the lights themselves, but not the bulbs, because I had white and a red LED, and I think getting the orange and doing it right looks good. Overall opinion, this side was easy to fit, this bottom side, but this passenger side main light, pain in the butt. Absolute pain in the butt. I had to actually shave off some of the housing of the actual light just to get it to fit, because the bracket was bent. Now I don't remember that gap being finger big. That's freaking huge. Probably because they need to be lifted up, because they're literally touching the chrome bumper. The bumper lights look good. I was skeptical about that, but I think they look better. Well, there's the last look. Hope you all enjoyed. And see y'all later.